Hi everyone. Oh, the sky is beautiful today. We've got these wispy clouds and I'm by the sea. I'm in a lovely area where the old windmills once, well, they are still here, but the top bits have gone, as you can see, very close to it. They were working windmills all around this area on the end of Portland. We're near Portland Bill, and when obviously you can see the quarry in front, which is still a working quarry, and then they've built some new houses in front of the quarry, and then this bit is a bit more natural. This is sort of last area of nature reserve, and over there, holding on to this bit of nature. Gosh, the sky is full of different types of clouds today, and the shimmering sea that looks across to France. And sometimes you can actually see France. You can see it. You can see it slightly even now. Yeah. I think I'm going to definitely paint this area of Portland at some point. But I'm just showing you like the places that I like to go and get away from it all. And Portland is obviously, I've got family here. And it's my husband's family that live here, and who knows, maybe one day we might live on Portland. You have to live or go where you're drawn to. The energy is definitely in this bit, and if I lived on Portland, I'd definitely live sort of in this area. All the dried seed heads. This was all full of different wildflowers in the middle of summer, and now it's September. There it is. I don't know how old these windmills are, but they're lovely. They don't really sort of say much. There's no information really much about them. There's a lovely bit there, with a bit of woodland and then some trees. I might just paint that with the seed heads in the foreground and the grasses. This is South Dorset, Portland.